Oh hey, didn't see you there.
Alright homies, welcome to my coverage of the 2019 Tour de Rev. Yeah, a bit iffy, but I hope you like it. For now, moving on into 2020, Happy New Year, and yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's going to be a new year. I've got a lot of shit planned and I have a lot to do, and not much time to do it considering my job keeps me away from everything I need to do. But moving on into the future, there is a lot coming down the pipeline involving a heap of my friends, a heap of events in Australia, and potentially some driving in a different country, hopefully. I think it's about time I made that step. So if you're interested in following my journey through 2020, please hit subscribe, hit like, notification bell, I think that's the thing, and enjoy. And if you don't enjoy, I don't know, that's probably your fault, not mine, really. So anyway, here's the video I made. I hope you enjoy it and have a good year. Peace. That was fucking sick!
I'm trying to keep up with you.
I don't know if I'll fuck up.
I didn't swear. I felt you swelled.
Hello and welcome to Mission Descent. I'm your host for the day, Tim, and I am hungover as shit. We had the after party last night for the Tour de Rev. We're on our way to Pheasant, so we're track at the moment. Honestly, we went to Macca's and I had a spew. It's like, I'm telling you this information out of confidence here. Don't go telling anybody. We're ready for a day of driving. Apparently this track is fucking beautiful when you drive in, so I'll try and film that. But like, I don't know, I'm pretty stoked. It's 9:30, we were meant to be there at 7. We wanted to be there at 7. Yeah. I'm keen to see everybody else's faces and how they look. But for now, I hope today goes better than yesterday, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Alright homies, it is day 2 of this event, the Tour de Rev, and I'm going to go send some laps on this Pheasant wood track. It's sort of like when I play a setter, I just go onto a track and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I just send it anyway and hope it works out. I always crash when I do that on a setter, so Hey? done. So today has decided to play the game where it doesn't want to leave the wastegate line on the wastegate. So every time I go and drive, I get about a lap, and then the second lap it melts and comes off mid-corner, and I always get like, it just cuts the engine and I get hit. So that was my lead run, and I got, well, my car bogged and died, so I got crashed into, and it fucking Zach went straight into me. And that happened. So the car's looking a little bit worse for wear with this dent here, which, I mean, this is not the first time this has happened. I've fixed this before. When I brought the car, this was all caved in. That side's been caved in, so I'll just bust it back out and clean it up. But it's actually, as you can probably see, it's pretty dull and needs painting there anyway from when I was cleaning it up. Yeah, but so I don't really know what I'm going to do about this wastegate issue. I'm going to go and try and find myself a small hose clamp to put on the line to hold it there, because it just doesn't want to stay on with conventional or unconventional methods. So I'm going to fix that and go out and do some more laps with the boys.
All I
you going?
Thanks for a fucking good time.
Well, what happened?
I fucking exploded.
I saw it.
Dude, get in here. That there is the end of my day, and I'm a happy boy. And I want to say thank you to Zach massively for hooking me up with most of this event and making it really possible for me. So if you know him or you don't, or if you ever see him, give him props. And that's probably it for me. Love you, bye.